Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning, doctor.
I understand you have headaches.
Yes, I have headaches often.
Let me ask you about your daily habits.
Okay.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7. I always check my phone first.
Do you often eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually eat breakfast. I sometimes skip it on busy days.
How much water do you drink during the day?
Not much. I rarely drink enough.
Do you exercise?
I'm often lazy. I rarely go to the gym.
How is your sleep?
I usually go to bed at 11. I often sleep late. I never feel fully rested.
Do you use screens at night?
Yes, I often use my phone at night.
That can cause headaches.
I understand.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I always drink coffee in the morning. I sometimes drink it in the afternoon, too.
Thank you. This information is helpful. We can improve your habits to reduce headaches.
Thank you, doctor.